Yep, do you know how to check a continuity using a multimeter? If you don't, let me show you how to check continuity like a pro. Let's go start it. Alright, the first thing I want to tell you about continuity. What is continuity? Continuity, it's a connection, like this wire. This wire have continuity if from this side to this side connection or connected, right? If this wire from here to here not connect, it means this wire not have a continuity, right? Because continuity is connection, right? You get that? Okay, back to the point. How to check continuity using a multimeter. Okay, the first step, you can put your multimeter to continuity mode. And if you who using analog multimeter, you can check like this, because the way it's same and not different at all, right? I'll make it a sample using a wire first. Okay, the way is you can put the black probe to this side and red probe to this side and see on multimeter screen. You see, multimeter read 001. It means this wire have a continuity, have a connection. And the second, you can turn back like this, right? Even I turn back this probe on this wire, my multimeter still read a continuity from this wire. It means this wire still good connection and still have good continuity. And now how about I cut this wire from the middle? Is that my multimeter still read a continuity or connection? Let me see. Okay, I will cut right here. Okay, I cut right here. Okay, now you can check like before. Like before, you can put the red probe to this side and red probe to this side and look on multimeter screen. Okay, you see, my multimeter can read anything. Because what? Because why? Yeah, because this wire not have a connection from A spot to B spot. From here to here not have a connection, so that my multimeter can read a continuity, right? Okay. Okay, how about, and how if I check continuity a resistor? Okay, I will make second example using this resistor first. Alright, this is resistor with 560 ohm. Okay, for measuring, you can put this multimeter to this side and red probe to this side. See on multimeter screen. Alright, my multimeter read 537, and it's mean what, right? Okay, the question why my multimeter not read 000 or 001 like we measure wires before. The answer is the resistor not have a continuity, but resistor have a resistance, right? Until here you have to get it. You have to understand what I say, right? The resistor have a resistance and not have a continuity and connection. If we measure a resistor and multimeter read 000 or 001, it's mean a damaged resistor, right? Because resistor have a resistance, not a continuity, even short, right? That's how to check continuity for resistor. And the third, I will measure a resistor 2 with 1 kilos. For measuring, you can put a black probe to this side and red probe to this side. See on multimeter. Alright, my multimeter read 956. It means this resistor still have a good resistance, right? Alright guys, that's how to check a continuity using a multimeter. And don't forget, if you're using an analog multimeter, it's been good and it's okay because the way it's not different at all, right? Hope it's useful for you who learning about electronic engineering. And if you like this video, you have to like this video and subscribe this channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. It's meant a lot to me, and see you next time and see you next video, and bye bye.